In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your EFSET test score to your LinkedIn profile. Adding your certification details to your LinkedIn page not only showcases your achievements, but also enhances your professional credibility. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure it's done just right. First, make your way to LinkedIn by opening your web browser and heading to linkedin.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in. You can use your Google or Microsoft account for a quick sign in, or simply input your email address and password. Remember, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account. They will send a code to your linked phone number, so keep your phone nearby. Once you're logged in, navigate to your LinkedIn profile. To do this, click on your avatar picture located in the upper right corner of the page, then select View Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can make any necessary edits to your information. As you look just below your profile picture, you'll notice an option to Add Profile section. Click on this and a menu will unfold revealing various options to enhance your profile. Here, click on the Recommended section and choose Add Licenses and Certifications. Now let's focus on filling out the certification details. In the field labelled certification name, type in the full name of the test, your score out of 100, as well as your CEFR level with its descriptor. These details are found on your EFSET certificate, so refer to it for accurate information. Then proceed to specify the issuing organisation, which in this case is EFSET. It's important to get this name exactly right to ensure your profile appears credible to employers and colleagues. Next up, input the issue date. This is the exact date stated on your certificate. It's crucial to enter the correct date to reflect the authenticity of your certification. You'll also need to provide a license number or credential ID. This is typically the last 6 characters, both letters and numbers, found at the end of your certificate URL. For instance, if your URL ends with H4T30X, that would be your credential ID. Once you've diligently filled in all these fields, give everything a quick review to ensure there are no typos or errors. Double checking your work is always a smart practice. If everything looks good, click the Save button at the bottom of the section. Congratulations, you've successfully added your EFSET test score to your LinkedIn profile. By taking the time to add certifications like this to your professional network, you're taking a vital step in setting yourself apart in the job market. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in advancing your professional journey.